So welcome back to another video. We are doing a van tour today, van work, so we're going to get straight into it. I had the generator in the side, but now I need to put it into the back, bolt it in the back now with the compressor, so we can have all that in the back there. Just makes more room. Obviously it's only a medium wheelbase, which I'll show you, but let's get this in. I've come up with a nice little technique I'm going to show you. So it's heavy. I lift it out the side to the back, but the only way I'm going to get this out is by doing this. Nearly there. Now we just need to find somewhere we can just bolt it in now. We've got it all set up in the back now. Just been and bought some connectors. So basically we've got a little airline 1/4 inch piece there, just some little adapters here on a T-piece, red airline down for our service, emergency, and then obviously down for our service. So we'll just run that straight out the back. Bit of a pain obviously because the electrics are the other side, but it is what it is. Got a generator on, so that's a electric start one. So yeah, bottle jack, got some blocks under there for putting the bottle jack on, some odd tools and stuff. I've just had a clean out as well. Little jack for any car stuff we'll do, but probably won't be doing that. Some bags, I've got to get another chamber, extension lead, and then heat gun for like curtain material, obviously curtain material up there. 1/4 inch drive torque wrench. It took a while to get everything sort of fully sorted. I've had some help with it, which has been great. So back end wise now we've got all the electrics now, all air supply and everything now we need. Obviously we can pull in, and we can pull it in. Just hold it. We can pull it in, so we can obviously put air supply to stuff as well. I'll show you the back. I'm midway through sorting that out, but yeah, I mean we've got beacons on top, we've got work lamps at the back there, and then I'll show you around the side. We've got work lamps there, work lamps there. We've got our box that will have our supply for all our lights. It's just on an Anderson plug here. So yeah, there's that. Wants a bit of charging up battery to be fair, but it'll all work on here. All the indicators, side lights, all that sort of good stuff there. So it's obviously I've moved everything over, so it's all a bit of a mess now. So we're going to sort this all out, put our wings in, put the cover back on for the batteries, and go from there. All I've done is just put them back into some little sections, got the bolts, nuts, everything like that. Yeah, the lad I got it off, like, he's got a bigger van now, and he's saying like you need to keep on top of it because you haven't got a lot of space. So that's why I spent the day today, you know, while I got a chance to sort it all out and try and put some order about it, so it makes my life a lot easier. You know, you don't want to be going to job and looking for stuff all the time. So we've got a couple of bits, we've got spares we're going to put in a place. We've got mega fuses and stuff, because obviously we need them for, especially for a lot of the tower lift stuff that we get a lot of. They were 80 amp fuses, they were for the van, but they weren't needed. Got some push fits, got stuff like that, so we're getting there, but I will show you all once it's complete. So we've sorted it all out. So obviously we've got a electrical point. My inverter is fucked. It fucking blew itself up. Got to extend jump leads and everything. I just need to find something to wrap them round, make something or whatever. We've got all our bulbs, everything here, all our connectors, fuses, bolts, everything that we might need. Lamps all down there. Wing brackets, all my electrical gear, and then obviously all our fluids. Toolbox is all here. I need to make something just to put a thing on it so I can bolt it down, and obviously our bars and everything, and all what we need to do the job. We have a little light. It's quite bright in here, to be fair, when you're out at night. Inside, it's just a transit van really. It's nothing really special. We've got the middle bit here that I just use for paperwork and all that sort of, my book, diary and everything. Obviously I've got a work phone that you use. I was using my personal phone, but now I'm just using a work phone because it's just gets too much confusing. I don't want my own phone ringing all the time. So yeah, that is literally obviously in the van. It's done sort of better than what it used to look like. It's much better. I had a good clean out, keeping my brake cleaner, everything here, grease gun. So yeah, obviously there'll be some people that'll go, you haven't got this, you haven't got that. You've got to remember, I'm just starting out. You know, I'm still learning every day what's good, what's bad, you know, all that sort of stuff. You know, it's only a little transit, little medium wheelbase, but I actually love it. It's just does the job really well, except for these fucking doors right there. So yeah, we've got on the back, we've got the beacons all around, the lights, everything, so we're on the roadside. We also have on the front as well. So yeah, much better now. Don't you just feel so much better when you give something a clean out like that. We're all ready to get back on the road again. So I have got a defect on the trailer I'm doing. Got a mark light out, got a new one, but haven't got the plug end for it. And it's best to keep them all the same. So if they do ever need to change it, they know what plug it has on it. So I will have to wire in one of them like that into that. So it should be, I have one. Like, just put new pins in and wire it in, so it should be quite easy. So all I'm going to do first, just get these snippers. So all we'll do is, we don't need that much of a loom. Just cut that off, keep that spare bit of wire, you never know. And then just gonna trim like that, and then trim the pins back. So could do with some more than wire strippers. I use them a hell of a lot. Surprising. Okay, so we've got our new plug. We will put, those who don't know, little rubber grommets on it. It just stops any dirt and all that kind of stuff, just like that. Little pin like that. For those who haven't done them before, just cut that back a bit, like so. We'll put probably cut off a bit more as well, like so. There we go. Now I think there are some proper ones for this, but I haven't got any, so this is gonna have to do. Another thing I could do with is some proper grips for that. There we go. So we're in there like that. We'll do exactly the same with this one. So we've got our 2 pins on here, and then we're going to get our plug, push the pins in, and away they go, push them through, and then we shall have our plug. You see there, don't know if you can see it, right there. And then obviously we'll do the same the other side. And then what we'll do is we'll push these rubber grommets in, and that'll be our plug done. There we have it. Wide in, new pins in, and then put that on, and there's our new plug and lamp. So that is the van. It's 2016. It's done 230,000 miles, but you know what, it's just a job. Yeah, it's not a brand new van or anything like that, but you got to start somewhere, haven't you? It's 2.2, so it's the better engine rather than the ones that obviously have common problems. So this week coming up, we've got a busy week. We've got relines to do on trailers, some drums and shoes and bits of bobs, so I'll be recording there, which will be nice. And we'll see what else happens. I'm sure the breakdowns have been a bit quiet this week, probably down to the weather, maybe down to the weather getting better. But all you boys that do breakdowns, drop down in the comments and let me know whether your breakdowns have gone quiet or not. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. It's one that everyone's been asking about, so yeah, it is what it is. You know, I've got pretty much everything I need to do the job to the best of my ability. We have diagnostic coming to do more of that as well, so which would be good. I like doing the diagnostic work, so we'll be getting on with that and pushing things forward. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and all that sort of stuff. Share the video, I'd massively appreciate it. And I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful weekend. So I'll catch you on the next one.